Choosing the right GPU can transform your PC, whether you're gaming at 4K, accelerating creative workloads, or future-proofing a build. In this video, to the best graphics cards, we compare real-world performance, video RAM, ray tracing, power draw, and price to help you find the sweet spot for your budget. From entry-level value to flagship monsters, you'll learn what matters, what to avoid, and which models deliver the most frames per taka today, and for the upgrades you plan tomorrow and beyond. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger D graphics card. If you want a reliable graphics card for smooth modern gaming and everyday creation, the ASRock Radeon RX 6600 Challenger D is an easy pick. You get 8 GB of fast graphics DDR6 memory, so high-resolution textures and multitasking feel responsive, and PCIe 4 support delivers the bandwidth your system needs for consistent performance. You'll appreciate the cooling, especially in long sessions. The Challenger D dual-fan design moves heat efficiently across the heatsink while keeping noise low, helping the GPU sustain stable clocks and stay quiet in your case. High-quality components round out a durable build that's made for many cycles of play, edit, and repeat. Want extra frames without sacrificing clarity? AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution in supported games can boost performance and sharpen details, giving you smoother motion and crisper images when you need them most. Setup is straightforward. Use DisplayPort and HDMI to connect high-refresh monitors or a big-screen TV and expand to multi-display workflows for streaming, studying, or editing. Day-to-day, it's a versatile card. Run your favorite titles, manage multiple apps, and handle creative workloads without constant tweaking. If you're building or upgrading a PC and want dependable 8 GB video RAM, efficient cooling, and flexible outputs in a card that just works, the RX 6600 Challenger D helps you stay locked in, game after game, project after project. At number 4, MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. If you want a dependable GPU that balances smooth gameplay with creator-friendly memory, the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 is an easy fit for your build. You get 12 GB of graphics DDR6 video RAM, so high-resolution textures, large scenes, and multi-app workflows feel less cramped. The card's NVIDIA RTX platform adds real-time ray tracing and deep learning supersampling upscaling, helping you enjoy sharper visuals and better frame rates in supported titles. You'll have solid headroom for fast 1080p or entry-level 1440p play, with a GPU clock up to 1710 MHz and a 1807 MHz memory clock, keeping performance responsive when action intensifies. Hook up modern displays via DisplayPort and HDMI, and drive up to 7680 by 4320 output for ultra-high resolution work or a big-screen cinematic setup. Day-to-day, it's a versatile performer. Game at night, edit clips, or run multiple monitors for study and work without constant tweaking. MSI's proven build quality and software utilities make it straightforward to monitor temps, adjust fan behavior, and keep your system running the way you like. If you're building a well-rounded rig and want reliable speed, generous video RAM, and flexible connectivity in a card that just works, this MSI RTX 3060 helps you stay locked in, whether you're grinding ranked matches or rendering your next project. Number 3, we have the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT graphics card. If you want a powerful, well-cooled GPU for high-refresh 1440p or entry-level 4K, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT is built to keep frames smooth and temps in check. Powered by AMD's Radeon RX 9060 XT and backed by 16 GB of graphics DDR6 memory, you'll have the headroom for modern textures, large worlds, and creator workloads without constant tweaking. You'll feel the thermal advantage of GIGABYTE's WindForce cooling system. The Hawk fan design pushes steady airflow across a dense heatsink, while server-grade thermal conductive gel helps move heat away from the GPU die for consistent performance during long sessions. The result is quieter operation and sustained clocks when you're deep into raids, ranked matches, or render queues. Connectivity is ready for your setup. Use DisplayPort and HDMI to drive high-refresh gaming monitors or pair a color-accurate display for editing and design. RGB lighting adds a subtle accent inside your case and can be customized to match the rest of your build. Auto-tuned fan curves and robust power delivery help keep performance stable without micromanaging settings, giving you more time to play and create. If you're building a rig that values cool, consistent speed and a clean look, this GIGABYTE RX 9060 XT brings dependable power, quiet thermals, and flexible outputs to your system. At number 2, XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT graphics card. If you want smooth, high-refresh gameplay with headroom for modern titles, the XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT is built to deliver. You get 16 GB of graphics DDR6 memory for high-resolution textures and complex scenes, plus clocks that climb from 1900 MHz up to a 3320 MHz boost to keep frame rates responsive when action gets intense. You'll appreciate the thermal design when sessions run long. The XFX Swift triple fan cooling solution moves heat efficiently across a robust heatsink, helping the card stay cool and quieter under load so your system performance remains consistent. Stable cooling also supports sustained clocks, giving you more confidence when you're pushing fast 1440p or stepping into 4K. Connectivity is ready for multi-display setups. With DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, you can drive high-refresh monitors for competitive play, or pair a creator display for color-critical work, without juggling adapters. The 16 GB video RAM also helps with heavier workloads like large timelines, complex previews, or AI-assisted tools that benefit from extra graphics memory. Setup and tuning are straightforward, letting you focus on play and productivity rather than micromanaging temps. If you want a powerful, well-cooled GPU that balances speed, stability, and versatility for today's games and creative tasks, the XFX Swift RX 9060 XT fits right into a serious PC build. And finally, the number 1 of our list, ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. If you want a tough, high-performance GPU for 1440p and beyond, the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 is built to push frames and stay cool under pressure. You'll tap into advanced AI upscaling and frame generation to boost performance in demanding titles while keeping visuals sharp and fluid. A 12 GB frame buffer and a boost clock up to 2610 MHz give you headroom for modern games and creative workloads. You'll also get the durability TUF is known for. Military-grade power components deliver stable, long-life operation, while a protective printed circuit board coating helps guard against moisture, dust, and debris that can cause shorts. ASUS GPU Guard plus a reinforced bracket secure the GPU to reduce flex and help ensure stable mounting in your case. Thermals are handled by a massive 3.125-slot heatsink and fin array tuned for airflow from 3 Axial Tech fans. A phase-change thermal pad improves heat transfer versus traditional pastes, helping sustain performance during long sessions and over the lifespan of the card. Tuning is straightforward with GPU Tweak 3. Dial in clocks, voltages, and fan curves, or monitor temps and power in real time. Auto Extreme Manufacturing adds another layer of reliability with precise, fully automated assembly. If you're building a rig for fast, smooth gameplay and want a graphics card that's engineered for longevity, control, and consistent cooling, this TUF RTX 5070 fits right into a serious setup. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which graphics card you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.